Hey y'all, it's Miso here. Welcome to my kitchen today. So glad to have you. Today we're going to be making something really special, really spectacular, really good. But the best thing about it is easy, quick, and simple, and still delicious. I'm going to make it, and you're going to make it too. Okay, let's go ahead and get started. Let's see what this is. Look what we got here. Oh my God, not a lot. So we're going to put this together to make what? Yeah, we're gonna make a nice broccoli, rice, and cheese. It's gonna be delicious. Got chicken in it too, so it can be an entree or a side dish. Now we're gonna clear up something here about rice. I find there are a lot of people that are afraid of making rice that don't know how. Remember this for the rest of your life. Rice is just a 2-to-1 ratio. If you have 1 cup of rice, then you want 2 cups of water. Always more water in that ratio. If you've got 2 cups of rice like we're using here today, then you want 4 cups of water. You put this water into a boiler and then you turn it on, you let it come to a boil. Now here, while I'm waiting on mine to come to a boil, I'm going ahead and getting my broccoli on. I'm putting this broccoli into the pot, putting water in it, and I'm covering it up to let it cook. I come back and my water is boiling. I take a wooden spoon and just stir it one time around just to make sure the rice is not in a mound. Cover it up, put it down on simmer, let it cook 12 to 15 minutes. I say stick to 12, and then you're gonna have perfect rice every time. So this broccoli is now boiling, and I'm gonna go ahead and put my spices into the broccoli. I put 2 tablespoons of butter, and I'm putting stuff like Mrs. Dash. That was some island spice that I'm putting in. One of my new favorites, and I'm getting some Watkins black pepper. Now don't you worry your pretty little head about these ingredients, trying to remember them, trying to write them down and telling me so they're going too fast. Just below this video, I am leaving a link, and you go and click on that link, and it's going to take you to my website where you can get this recipe and many other recipes, and they're all printable. You just print it out and it's free. How great is that? You can get this and many more recipes. So click that link to go to my website and get this recipe free. Then save it until you want to use it. Here I've got everything in here, and I am just mixing it all together. I still have the heat on it. Putting the remainder of the cheese in here. That was cheddar and mozzarella, and I'm just gonna kind of stir that in. If you don't want the extra cheese, you don't have to add it because it's already creamy because of that half and half or heavy cream, whichever you use. Already very creamy. Put it in, stir it, and let it cook about 3-4 more minutes. Got it in a bowl now, and now it's time for that hard part, and that's tasting it. You would not believe me if I didn't taste it for you. So looky, Miss Cookie. Ooh, how rich, creamy, and delicious does that look? Get a good look? Good look. Come to me, baby. You know, in this, you can use the broccoli, which is my favorite. I use my go-to. But if you wanted to change out the broccoli for spinach, you could do that too, and it would be just as delicious. Look at that, y'all. Perfect. Your kids will love it. Get some vegetables into your kids. Your family will love it. This is a comfort food for sure. Hey guys, I want to thank you for coming by, seeing me today. You want to see what I was doing. Now you knew that I would be throwing down, and I hope that I did not disappoint. Guys, I want you to hit that red subscribe button, subscribe to my channel, and make sure you do hit the bell there and let parentheses come around the bell, and then that way you'll be notified every time I put up a new video. Guys, I love you. Take care of yourself, love yourself, keep a good check on your mental health. And you know what? Love yourself, guys, and that makes you able to love somebody else. That helps you to know how to love somebody else. And remember to share your love by sharing your food, honey. Bye-bye.